Hello guys, welcome back to Things. But for today's video, here going to show you Phantomgogo electric scooter app setup and pairing. So also it'd be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So to basically set up your Phantomgogo electric scooter here with your app, well, first things first is you want to download the app or the Phantom e-moto app here, which in this case is going to be Gogo Connect. So go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, search for Gogo Connect, and basically install this into your mobile device. Now once you have this installed, what we need to do is we need to basically follow a few things here. So this is what you should be seeing first. So either sign in or register. Now go ahead and just sign into your account or register your account. Now if you need to sign in or if you need to register your account here, you need to provide the following details here, like your email and a password, and they will be sending you an email verification in order for you to confirm your account. But once you've confirmed your account here via the link that they provided, you should be able to log in into your account here. Now, to pair your electric scooter, you would just want to click on the bind by Bluetooth scanning here, and once you click on it, it will ask you a bunch of permissions here to access your Bluetooth, your relative position, and also to scan nearby devices. So just allow those permissions. Now, once you've allowed that, you should be able to see the a Bluetooth scanning option here. Now the thing with this one is you need to stay within like 15 feet of the scooter during the pairing process in order for them to connect your device here. But to be speaking, once they've actually found your device, this is what's going to look like. Now you want to go and just select the device that you want to pair here. And also you can add a name for it if you want, and just click on confirm and just follow the on-screen steps once you've done this. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.